Grand Hotel, Luxus or Luxus Grand, as you may call it, where we have just arrived to pick up our guests. And today we start our long journey. First big stop will be Islamabad. On our way we will be visiting Hiran Minar, Kyoda Salt Mines and Katas Raj temples, and then we will be reaching Islamabad where we have one night stay, and then we move forward to Gilgit, then Hunza, then Skardu in the same order. So let the journey begin. So here we are at the Hiran Minar in Sheikhupura city. So it is in the memory of Mansi Raj, a deer who was very dear to Jahangir, one of the Mughal emperors, and Jahangir used to come here for hunting animals, and also he really loved this place for its nature and greenery on all four sides. So in the memory of his dear Mansi Raj, this monument was built. Our stay at Hiran Minar didn't last long. There is not much to do other than boating, and we didn't even go to that main side, like from where we could enter the Baradari or get closer to the minaret, because it was very hot. It was probably around 30 degrees there, and although it was windy, it was making things a bit relaxed, but still it was pretty hot. So we just spent maybe like 10 minutes or something and back in the car. Now we are heading further ahead, and next stop will be Kyoda Salt Mines. Next stop, Kyoda Salt Mines, and we are welcomed here with a big shocker. The ticket prices here are much higher than we had expected. I had visited it like maybe 10 years back last time, so I also had no idea. For foreigners it is $20 per head for one adult, and for locals even it is 400 rupees for one adult, and plus if you want to use the train inside, that's another additional 200 rupees. Anyways, we had done so much traveling, and it was a very bumpy ride, so we just had to buy tickets, and now we are going inwards towards the mines, and we will
turn right onto Asma Hospital Road.
My guests here, they feel a bit tired because of that bumpy ride from Lilla interchange to this salt mine. So let's see what's waiting for us inside. So we are with a guide here inside the mine, and he's sharing some interesting facts. There are almost 100 plus water ponds inside this mine. So he was just telling that these ponds are made because they have made the ventilation holes, because we are so much deep inside a mountain right now that there is no possibility of any oxygen availability here. So they have made those ventilation holes. So water, when it rains, it also drips down all the way and result in making of these ponds. And this is a very famous mosque that is wholly built with use of salt bricks, and it is almost 55 years old. This behind me here, it is the working area, and almost 2.8 kilometers deep inside they are mining right now as well. This all started with dripping water drops, and now it's a mountain itself. Here is the salty Minar-e-Pakistan. This is a crystal clear lake here. It's almost 80 feet deep, and you can still see the exact bottom of this. So I'm inside a very dark tunnel right now, which we have special permission for because of the foreigners with me. Okay, I am using my light now until we get back into light. Waterfall that you just saw in the previous video. This waterfall is actually a ventilation point. They have dig like 25 feet from the mine to the ground, like to the outer surface, and these kinds of ventilation points here are made because of lack of oxygen, and to make sure that surviving under the mine becomes more easier for the people working here. This behind me is the purest of Himalayan salt you can find anywhere in the world. Okay, so we are at Katas Raj temples, which is a very famous and holy site for Hindus of the subcontinent region, and it is famous for its 7 temples of 7 different gods that Hindus believe in. And this is in Chakwal district of Pakistan, and now we will be visiting one by one all the 7 temples, and then we will be heading all the way to Islamabad. This is the Amrit Kund, or the holy water pond. You might have seen a lot of pictures of this place, always having this pond in the middle of the picture. And now we are moving towards the temple of Lord Shiv, or Shiva as you may call it. This is one of the places where they build fire with the help of wood and then pray that fire, or use that fire as a symbol of God.
पियो जामे कलंदर तलुए सर शामे कलंदर मास कलंदर मास पीऊं मैं और झूमे सारे आए हैं पाक द्वारे पीऊं मैं और झूमे सारे आए हैं पाक द्वारे इस दर पे झूमे नाचे हर रात को चांद और तारे सितारों का है घर शामे कलंदर तलुए सैर शामे कलंदर मास